Do you usually wake up as soon as the sun rises?
Yes, I usually wake up very early in the morning because I enjoy the quiet atmosphere before the rest of the world starts moving.
What time do you finally get out of your bed?
I get out of my warm bed at exactly 6 o'clock because I want to have enough time to exercise and prepare for my day.
Do you feel thirsty when you first wake up?
Yes, I always drink a large glass of refreshing water to hydrate my body and help my brain feel more alert.
How do you start your hygiene routine in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth thoroughly with minty toothpaste for 3 minutes to make sure they are perfectly clean and white.
Do you prefer a cold or a hot shower in the morning?
I take a quick hot shower every morning because the steam helps me relax my muscles and feel energized.
Do you spend a long time looking in the mirror?
I carefully comb my hair in front of the mirror so that I look neat and professional before I head out to work.
How do you choose which clothes to wear for the day?
I pick out my favorite clean clothes from the closet and make sure they are ironed and looking tidy.
Do you leave your bedroom in a mess when you go to work?
No, I make my bed neatly every single morning because it makes me feel like I have accomplished my first task of the day.
What kind of breakfast do you usually prepare for yourself?
I prepare a healthy breakfast in the kitchen that usually consists of boiled eggs, wheat toast, and some fresh fruit.
Do you eat your breakfast quickly while standing up?
I prefer to sit down and eat my breakfast slowly so that I can think about my goals and plans for the day.
Do you like to drink anything hot with your morning meal?
I always drink a cup of steaming hot tea because it warms my body and has a very calming effect on my mind.
Do you check your messages while you are eating?
I check my phone for important messages from my friends and family to see if there is anything I need to respond to.
What do you put inside your bag before you leave?
I pack my bag with my laptop, a notebook, and all the essential documents I will need for my meetings today.
Do you ever forget your keys or your wallet?
I always double-check that I have my house keys and my wallet in my pocket so that I don't get locked out later.
What time do you officially leave your house?
I leave my house at 8 o'clock sharp and walk toward the bus stop at the end of my street.
Do you walk to work or take a vehicle?
I walk to the nearest bus stop and wait for the public bus to arrive so I can travel to the city center.
Do you listen to anything during your morning commute?
I listen to an interesting podcast or some soft music through my headphones to make the travel time pass quickly.
Is the bus usually crowded in the morning?
Yes, the bus is often very crowded with many people who are also traveling to their jobs or schools.
Do you arrive at your office on time?
I arrive at the office building 10 minutes early so that I can settle in and organize my desk before work starts.
How do you greet your colleagues in the morning?
I say good morning with a big smile to all my coworkers because I want to maintain a friendly environment.
Why are you planning to visit the market after work?
I go to the busy local market specifically to buy a new pair of shoes that are comfortable for walking long distances.
How do you choose which shoe store to go into?
I look for a store that has a wide variety of styles and colors so that I have many options to choose from.
What color of shoes are you looking for today?
I am looking for a pair of black or dark brown shoes because they match almost all of my work clothes.
Do you buy the first pair of shoes that you see?
No, I spend a lot of time looking at different shops until I find the perfect design at a reasonable price.
How do you know if the shoes are the right size for you?
I try on the shoes and walk around the store to make sure they fit my feet perfectly and do not feel too tight.
Do you talk to the person working at the shop?
I ask the friendly shopkeeper for the price and check if they have any other sizes available in the back room.
Are you looking for a discount or a sale?
I always check if there are any special offers or discounts available to see if I can save some money on my purchase.
How do you pay for the things you buy at the market?
I usually pay for my new shoes using cash because it is faster and easier for small local shops.
Do you need a bag for your new purchase?
I place my new shoes inside a reusable shopping bag that I brought from home to help reduce waste.
Do you buy anything else while you are at the market?
I also walk through the vegetable section to find the freshest ingredients to cook a healthy dinner tonight.